The Pixel 10 series is right around the corner. August 20th is when Google plans to reveal it all as someone who has used Pixels year after year. I've built up a wish list of upgrade I want to see in the next generation, so the Pixel 9 Pro XL has been my go-to phone for a while. And while it has some strong points, it also lacks several features that other flagships already offer compared to devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S5 Ultra. The Pixel falls behind in ways that really matter to users like me. Let's start with the camera. My biggest complaint with the 9 Pro XL is the video quality. Cinematic blur videos are stuck at 108p24 FPS and don't work on the front camera. Meanwhile, Samsung and Apple support 4K with front cam to the Pixel 10 needs to catch up and do better this time. Slow motion is another letdown. It's stuck at 108p 240 FPS, the same as the Pixel 4 XL from 5 years ago. I'd love to see support for. Even action mode is behind, limited to 108p 30 FPS. It hasn't improved since the Pixel 5. Samsung and Apple are pushing 2K and beyond at higher frame rates, and it's time Google raises the bar. Video lens switching is also painfully slow and not ideal for quick seamless recording. Video boost helps, but only on some lenses, and it requires uploading to Google's servers, which takes time and needs a fast internet connection. This isn't ideal when you're out and about. It would be awesome if Tensor G5 could process videos locally and support all lenses, including ultra-wide and front. Phones. Google needs to add these tools for creators who want pro-level control without needing third-party apps or editing on a computer. Photos need attention to portrait mode. Has barely improved over the years. Subject separation is still rough, and Pixel phones still don't offer telephoto portrait or proper 5x zoom portraits. The competition has nailed this, and it feels like Google is ignoring this area entirely. Standard photo processing has changed as well. The Pixel 9 often outputs flat, dull images. Even though the live preview looks amazing, I miss the old Pixel look with deep shadows, bold colors, and crisp contrast. A return to that unique Pixel style would be a big win. Another great feature would be the ability to save and reuse custom image profiles. Create a look they love, adjust it once, and use it again and again without tweaking settings every time they take a shot. Now let's talk performance. The Tensor G5 looks promising with its new TSMC 3nm process, the same used in Apple's A18 Pro chip. Combine that with the upgraded GPU and bigger TPU, and we could see major leaps in speed, efficiency, and machine learning capability. However, real life matters more than numbers. Tensor G4 had solid daily performance, but got warm during video calls and drained battery. Fast RAM management was aggressive, killing background apps too quickly, and the phone still uses outdated UFS 3.1 storage while rivals moved to UFS 4.0. The display has always been good on Pixels, but smaller bezels, higher PWM dimming for eye comfort, and the return of ambient EQ would make it even better. Extra features like MagSafe support, stronger speakers, wider availability, and faster charging are also high on my wish list for Pixel 10.